In this video, I will be showing you how to download Google Play Store apps on PC. So first, you need to go to your Google web browser and search for BlueStack. So all you have to do is type BlueStack, and once it appears, all you have to do is to click, especially the first one here. Click this one and it will take you directly to this site. Now you have to choose the one which is suitable to your PC. Now, if you scroll down here, you can see some options, and all you have to do is to download the one that fits or suitable to your PC, laptop, or whatever gadgets you have. So just click download. For me, this one is suitable to my PC, so I have to download this one. So once you downloaded this, all you have to do is to click this one, go to file folder, right click, and run this program. So all you have to do here is to right click, click run as administrator, and wait for a couple of minutes. So next, all you have to do is to tap install now and wait as it is downloading. So you have to wait for a couple of minutes. Sometimes it depends on how strong your internet is. So once done, this is what it looks like. Now all you have to do is to search for Google Play Store at the top right corner where you can see a magnifying glass here, or you can just scroll down and look for Google Play Store. So everything is up to you. Once you click Google Play Store, you just have to sign in your email address. And then once you sign in your email address, you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is checking information. So this is what it looks like. Now, once you're done or once they're done checking the information, all you have to do is to click I agree and then click I accept or accept. Then you can start using your Google Play Store. You can just search for games here, and all you have to do is to go to the magnifying glass or search icon, click a game, for example, this one, and then install. Or you can also install some social media platforms. For example, we have here Facebook, Instagram, and others. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.